So here we have Loadmatic MP 303, I'm sorry. Clean lens, as you can see, in a fairly good condition. So to take the lid off, you need to take that out. Spin the button. As you can see, clean battery compartment. Put the batteries in the correct way. As you can see, you can read it here as well. Close it well. And then that's an interesting camera because the shutter is here. And you have a zoom in and an out at the same time. You can use only the zoom as well without shooting. Automatic and manual zoom worked great. Focus as well. Very smooth. As you can see, moves well. We tested out with an expired cartridge. Expired cartridges are hardest to spin. We mark it, put it in, and then shoot just for a second. And as you can see, the mark's gone. So it works well, it works together. Interesting camera, clean lens, great for a beginner. Solid body, metal body. So please subscribe.